Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: Automating the Planet, or your network. A peek at Ansible and Terraform. Hey awesome network explorers! Ever felt like your fingers were gonna fall off from typing the same commands over and over? Or maybe you've dreamed of building giant networks with a click? Well, guess what? That's not sci-fi anymore. Today, we're diving into the magical world of automation with two superstar tools, Ansible and Terraform. Get ready to make your network and your life a whole lot easier. Imagine you have 100 routers, and you need to change a single setting on all of them. Shutters, manually logging into each one, typing commands, hoping you don't make a typo on the 73rd device. It's a recipe for disaster. And a caffeine overdose. It's slow, error-prone, and frankly, super boring. This isn't how we build the future, right? We need a better way. This is where our heroes, Ansible and Terraform, swoop in to save the day. Think of them as your personal army of super efficient robots. They don't get tired, they don't make typos, and they can deploy entire infrastructures faster than you can say infrastructure as code. They're all about making your network setup repeatable, reliable, and ridiculously fast. It's like having a master chef versus a fast food worker, but for your network. First up, Ansible. Imagine you have a super smart butler who knows exactly how you like your network configured. You tell it, make sure all these servers have this software, and these routers have this firewall rule. Ansible says, right away, sir, it uses simple, human-readable YAML files. Think bullet points for computers. And talks to your devices over standard SSH, no fancy agents needed. It's like sending a to-do list to your devices. And they just do it. Perfect for managing existing stuff. Next, we have Terraform. If Ansible is for managing what's already there, Terraform is for building new stuff from scratch. Think of it as your ultimate infrastructure architect. You describe the entire network or cloud environment you want. I need 5 servers, 2 load balancers, and a database, all connected like this. Terraform then goes out and builds it all for you. It's infrastructure as code, using its own language called HCL. It keeps track of the state of your network, so it knows exactly what's deployed. Ideal for spinning up new projects or entire data centers. So, are they rivals? Nope, they're more like a dynamic duo. Ansible is fantastic for configuring software, managing applications, and automating tasks on existing servers and network devices. Terraform excels at provisioning infrastructure, spinning up VMs, networks, load balancers, and entire cloud environments. You could use Terraform to build your servers, and then use Ansible to install and configure the software on them. They're like peanut butter and jelly for your network automation journey. Learning these tools isn't just cool, it's essential. Automation means fewer errors, faster deployments, and more time for you to work on exciting, strategic projects instead of repetitive tasks. For anyone wanting to become a data center engineer, like me, or just be a rock star in tech, understanding Ansible and Terraform is a huge advantage. It's the future of networking. And guess what? We're already living in it. This was just a peek, but hopefully, it's got your automation gears turning. Want to learn more? Check out their official docs. There are tons of free tutorials. And hey, maybe I'll even do a hands-on demo in a future video. Let me know in the comments if you're excited about automation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next tech adventure. Keep learning, keep automating, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.